waste my time. Carry water quench my vibe. Really tryna take my life. With you. Really change your mind. When I make you understand. Everything within my mind. So good day guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. A quick story before we dive into today's technical analysis. My name is Wisdom. I'm a rookie forex trader and I've been trading for quite a while now. So a quick story about myself. I've been trading forex. I've been learning to trade forex actually for the past over a year now, and I've actually dived into different strategies. I started with a retail pattern, the retail trading strategy. Then I went into Elliott Wave theory. Elliott Wave is a very good strategy, guys. Don't get me wrong. But I decided to stick with smart money concept because smart money concept is actually you understand the market, same as Elliott Wave also, but I just kind of prefer smart money concept to Elliott Wave because back then, even the mentor I was learning Elliott Wave from was actually using smart money concept with Elliott Wave. Then it was true. So I actually dived into smart money concept to know what smart money concept is. That was when smart money concept strategy really gripped me. So, and since then I've been learning smart money concept. Guys, I want you to know that I'm still a rookie trader. I'm still a beginner. I'm still learning. So I just decided to post my trading journey on YouTube, so I can go back when I become profitable and that part of the videos I've done and stuff like that. So this YouTube channel I'll be posting this video on was actually a thriller channel. I created it to post YouTube thrillers and short clips, funny clips. But I was too busy to edit videos and all those stuff, and my videos were not gaining enough view. Perhaps maybe because I didn't enjoy doing it in the first place. So when I was thinking on documenting my forex journey, I decided to convert the YouTube channel to the thriller channel to a forex channel. That was how I came up with the Paramount FX. It was Paramount Thrillers before, or Paramount TV, I guess, something Thrillers or TV, I can't really recall. So I had to change it to FX, remove the Thrillers and change it to FX. And I'm posting my journey here as from today. You can see I'm actually recording this video right from my phone, and I don't really enjoy doing analysis on my phone, but I guess my phone is always with me anyway, so I can actually do analysis anywhere I am. So it is easier actually. Not that I don't like it, but it is easier to do my analysis on my phone. And this is the Trading View app. I actually downloaded the app. This is not the web version, this is the app. So we'll be doing analysis on UC today. That's USD card. So this is not a financial advice, guys. This is from a rookie perspective because there are some professional traders out there that really want to know the mindset of a rookie trader, but like they want to see through our perspective. So that's why I'll be posting this. So this is what I'm seeing from my own perspective. And you can see today's date is 25th of September. So today is Monday, 25th of September 2023. Sorry guys, 2023. And you can see the time is 12:54. We are in the noon here in Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria, guys. So let's start all the way from my weekly time frame. Let's see what's really going on the weekly. I don't trade on the weekly. I actually enter my trade on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm seeing you to this stuff. So you can see on the weekly we are actually in. I don't really want us to go that far, but to me we actually Also, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, in an uptrend of the day. So we're in an uptrend. But since I just want us to have a perspective of what's going on the weekly time frame, I don't actually really care about what's really happening because I'm not a long time trader. I just like just to have the perspective of what's actually going on. And we have another block here on the weekly, which we've not yet tapped into yet, right? So you can see on the daily, we actually changed character here on the daily. We were going up before, we were breaking structure to the upside. You can see all the way here, we broke the structure. I'm coming. We actually, this structure was actually broken. Where was the structure broken? This structure was actually broken. This candle broke the structure, then it came all the way down. I like seeing this when it comes to. I like seeing a lower lows when we pull back. Then you can see we broke the structure again here. Sorry guys that I'm not really drawing what's really happening, but you can see this was our last low, right? This was our last low. I just want everything. I don't want to do a long video. I want to shorten everything. This is our last low. Yeah, that's our last low. Then so we've not actually broken structure, guys. We've not broken structure. I'll be waiting for this low to break before I can say we broke structure. But we are in a pullback at the moment. So we are in a very, very massive pullback. So I'm expecting this high to go. Right. So how do we know the pullback has ended? You can see there's another block here. I get we've not yet tapped into yet. This on daily perspective. For me to be that zoomed out, that's actually from the that's actually from a weekly perspective. For me to be zoomed out, I'm so zoomed out. So you can see we have another block here. I'll be expecting the price to tap into this other block. I want these videos to be as short as possible. I really want it to be short. I don't want us to stay really long on it. But if you check the daily perspective, if you have to balance chart, if you check the daily perspective, you can see we actually have another block here. We have another block here. And we actually, from a daily perspective, this was where we broke the structure. You can see here we broke the structure to the downside. I guess we should draw this. We should actually see what's really going on. We broke the structure on a daily perspective. We broke the structure here. I haven't set my template, so I won't be writing anything just to keep the video short. So, but we know we broke structure here. We're expecting this high to break. So we broke to the downside here. Right, change of character. Then we went all the way down here. Right, then we broke structure here again. So I'm making strong eyes. Yeah, that was why I drew this break of structure in the first place. That was why I drew this line in the first place. The line I deleted previously. So we broke structure here also, and I'm expecting us to, like, we're in a downtrend on daily. Obviously we're in a downtrend on the daily. So I'm expecting, let me delete this. Perhaps we have to tap into this other block here. Before going up to sweep this liquidity. So after breaking this structure right here, it went all the way up, it swept this liquidity, and it tapped into this other block. And then after tapping into the other block, with not much conviction though, we've not actually really tapped into the other block. But I don't think, since we have a change of character, I guess we're already coming down, right? So we're already coming down. So we are bearish on the daily because we already changed character here. We are actually bearish on the daily. Guys. We are bearish on the daily. And you can see this is a change of character. That means internal internal market structure shift. So that will be 4 hours. So let's go to the 4 hours. You can see we already have a market structure shift on the 4 hours already. You can see we actually have a market structure shift on the 4 hours. So since the daily is bearish, the 4 hours has already switched bearish. So after every break of structure, we should be expecting a pullback, right? We should be expecting a pullback. Now, honestly, doing this analysis and trying to explain to you guys is actually giving me another perspective of the whole structure, because now this is what I'm actually expecting. I'm expecting this to happen, something like this. After a break of structure, we broke structure here. I'm expecting to retrace back at least all the way here to the premium level, somewhere here or here. This imbalance is valid. This order block is valid because it's having imbalance here. One, it broke a structure, it broke something significant, and what else? I guess that's all. That's why it is not having much confluence. That's why it's not having much confluence. Because that's all I could say about the other block. I actually have I have principles guiding my other block. The first one is order block must be on an higher time frame. That's one. The second one is order block must have swept to liquidity or have liquidity to sweep. That's the second one. Order block has imbalance. Have I mentioned that? Order block must have imbalance also. Order block must have the liquidity to target. That's another thing. What else? I can't really remember the principle, but I wrote it somewhere, guys. I wrote it somewhere. So I have a lot of principles guiding my other block. So, and from here you can see, I guess this imbalance has been cleared. I guess you can see the imbalance. We still have a little imbalance right here. Still have a little imbalance from here. By the way, very little imbalance. So that's not giving me much conviction. We have this other block right here has a whole lot of imbalance, but that's not actually giving me a lot of conviction also. So looking at this, you can see we actually tap into this. Well, honestly, this is actually giving me a whole lot of perspective concerning this trade. So this is what's going to happen. Let me do a proper analysis here. We tapped into this other block right here, then we came all the way down here, but we couldn't break this loop. So that means there is not much order here in this other block. So I'm expecting the price to go higher, guys. I'm expecting the price to go higher. But this is really going to be let me delete all this. That's something about analysis. This is really going to be a flip zone. This right here. Since we couldn't break lower, I'm expecting, since this other block couldn't cause a break below, since the other block couldn't cause a break below this low, that means there is no much order in this other block, right? So I'll be expecting us to go all the way up here. I'll be expecting a pullback all the way up here to this other block right here, or this one right here. So I'm expecting it. So using this and this as inducements, and all this as the inducements, as liquidity. So I'm expecting to tap into another block here, which I'll be drawing very soon, and come all the way down. To break the structure. So that's what I'm expecting. So now, since it actually reacted to this other block right here, reacted to the other block right here, I don't know, started to the other block right here, I'll be using this as a flip. If it actually goes up and breaks this other block to the upside, I'll be using this I'll be using this as my entry for that block. So that's flip zone, right? So I'll be using this. So let's see what actually happens here. Let's see how this plays out before. So we'll be waiting for this. That's something I don't actually like about trading on the higher time frame. We're waiting for this before confirmation. Actually broke the structure here. Use this as an inducement key one the way yet to tap in this other block. I'm expecting a break here to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting. That's a technical analysis from a rookie perspective. This is my first time, not actually my first time, but I'm still new to doing videos like this. So guys, just have to go with it like that. Don't worry. As time goes on, as I keep dropping more videos, I'm getting more and more good doing this. Let me show you the analysis I did on Euro USD, because that's one of my best pair. I really like trading this pair. You can see obviously there's no need of really diving deep into the whole thing. You can see we are in a downtrend on the 4 hours here. We're in downtrend. This liquidity was swept all the way down. You can see we're in a downtrend, right? So I'm expecting this liquidity to be swept before tapping into this other block that is here. So that's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm expecting. So I'm expecting a short. So I'm expecting a short all the way from. I'm expecting a short. I'm expecting the price to go all the way up. I'm expecting the price to go all the way up, tap into this other block before I'm going to short the market. Most of you may be thinking, why can't I long to the other block then short? Why I'm not doing that is, if I'm trading up, that means I'm trading against the 4 hour trend, and I don't trade against the trend. I've tried that a lot of times, and the market has taught me lesson. So I'm not doing that. I'll be trading all the way from it. And nothing is the price might not get into this other block before reversing. This is a 4 hours other block right here, and this is the 1 hour other block inside the 4 hours other block. So this is the 4 hour demand zone, while this inner one is the 1 hour demand zone. So the price might actually react from the 4 hours there. So what I'm waiting for is a change of character. After a change of character in this area, I'll be shorting the market, right? And this other block is very reliable because it swept liquidity. It has liquidity to be swept. It broke something significant. It broke this low. It broke this low right here. This one. It broke this low right here. So it broke the low, and it has a whole bunch of liquidity here to take. So, and it is also in the direction of the trend. So this is a very high conviction order block to trade from. So I'll be waiting for it to tap into there. You don't have to rush when it comes to trading. That's something I've learned about trading, because normal investment, when you invest your money normally into all these investment stuff, you actually have about 100 to 120% in a whole year. But using 1% of my account to trade, I can actually have a 5%. If the trade goes according to my plan, I can have nothing less than 5%, a 5% win in just one trade. So why do I need to rush? That's why I actually tell myself, whenever I want to rush into a trade, you to check this out. I'm very sure. Well, I'll be entering this on a lower time frame though. So just for you to know, I'll be entering this on a lower time frame. So when the price gets here and I trade all the way down here, at least I'll be trading to this low. And entering on a lower time frame will give me a whole more risk to reward ratio, because I'm sure my entry is really going to be small. I'll be having a very, very small entry, something like this. So you can see that's the 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio. So I don't need to rush into trade, right? even if it is just 2 trades or 3 trades I can take in a day. In a whole week, if it is 3 trades I can take in a whole week, or 2 trades, that's okay. And the trades are okay. I just focus on taking the best trade, just the best trade. So that's what I want other rookies, other newbies into the to also learn from. Like, don't just trade, don't over trade. Focus on only the best trade, best entry. Now, if I can get a one, if this trade goes according to my, like, if it goes well and it takes my profit, that's a 1 to 9 risk to reward ratio. At least 1 to 5, 1 to 5 on a 1 to 5 on maybe $5,000 account. So that's why it's very good when you're good at doing your analysis and when you guys to get a profit. It's very, very important for you to get a profit. So a $5,000 account divided by 100, that's $50, right? And you have maybe a 5, that's $250 in just a trade. Come on, guys. That's way that's a very, very nice trade. That's a very, very nice trade. So you guys, I don't want you to rush when it comes to trading. Don't rush. Focus on picking the best trade. And if you're a professional watching this and you have anything to say about my trading analysis, or you really wish to teach me more smart money concept, guys, I'm sticking to smart money concept. I'm not trading any other concept again. I'm sticking to smart money concept, and that's what I want the newbies and rookies to also know. Stick to a strategy. Just stick to one strategy. Anyone you are trading, everything works. That's one of my best quotes. Everything works. When you are serious with it, you're hardworking, you work hard on it, it will work, and you're creative about it, it will work. Everything works. Everything works. So, and if you're a professional, like I said, I'm sticking to smart money concept, and you know more about smart money concept that you like to share, you can please comment in the. You can give me a comment, or you can, I don't know, maybe, yeah, you can just send me just comment on that, so I'll text you privately and we could talk better. Thank you very much, guys. That'll be all. See you next time.